Hello, we the students of Maniben Nanavati Women's College have conducted a research through survey method on the topic of online learning platforms. I shall ponder upon the introduction. The rapid expansion of technology in every spheres of life has replaced many traditional forms of communication as well as education. The way we interact with each other through virtual ways has affected the way we function in our day to day life. The education field had its share of virtual teaching and learning, with many students as well as teachers using the online mode of communication with one another. In recent times, due to the COVID 19 pandemic, the students and the teachers have been forced to take up education online on various platforms. The role of the teachers has changed today from entering a class physically to asserting the students or learners. The teacher can now enter a virtual class and teach by going live or can develop content with pre recorded videos which can be viewed at the convenience of the students. An online course is a course conducted over the internet. They are generally conducted through a learning management system in which a student can view their course syllabus and academic progress as well as communicate with fellow students and their course instructors. Online learning is a way to deliver learning remotely to those who choose not to attend for a physical location. I now give up to the next part to my co-researcher.
Hello, I will be pondering upon the survey conducted. This survey was limited to students between the age of 17 to 22 years, both males and females who are currently pursuing their graduation degree. We got to record their opinions on online courses. Through this survey, we were able to understand the current scenario of the students as they are studying through the online means. We asked them several questions based on online courses being ideal for staying active during this lockdown, whether students would prefer paid or free courses, whether how many of them have enrolled for paid or free courses, and whether offline or online courses would be greatly affected by each other in the near future, and how many of the online learning platforms they've used as far. By analyzing the data received from the responses, we have accumulated the following findings. Many of the students reported that online courses have helped them stay active and engaged with their education during lockdown. Many don't persistently follow the course content and don't put as much time required in the learning of the course. Students weren't really convinced on the system of online courses, and most of them would still prefer the traditional method of offline learning. In spite of being in the digital world, with everything being connected to the technology, many are still disinclined to switch to the online mode. Free courses have received the maximum number of likes, as many are uncomfortable with investing in a paid course. Post the COVID 19 pandemic, the usage of online courses would be affected, and that many students yet desire to learn through the offline method. But some respondents replied that there wouldn't be much changes in the way online courses are conducted, and offline learning will go hand in hand with the online course. According to the respondents, their respective education institutions have spread awareness to them about online learning even before the lockdown, as they had explored what online learning and online courses were. Learners place a high preference to the vocabulary content as well as the flexibility and self-paced course. Many respondents positively responded of online courses being an excellent mode of education and helpful during this pandemic, and was considered as a good source for self-learning, but there were many who still didn't prefer online course, claiming them to be too confusing, involving less interaction, and of course, last but not the least, the poor internet connection acting as an obstacle for them for continuous learning. Thank you.
We are going to conclude the survey study on the opinion of students taking online course has opened many insights into the mind of students as well as institution role in creating awareness among these students on learning and e-learning, we are able to understand how students feel about online courses and their usefulness in the job marketing. We are also able to find out the current situation has left impact in the field of education, and it has forced students and teachers to adopt new ways of learning and teaching. Online courses were funds to be useful as it created alternatives. The education has been able to successful keeping students engaged in various courses. The shift to the online mode will always be has per still unable to access technology or have a healthy internet connection. However, one cannot deny that the fact that technology has taken over our life and we have become dependent on it. Online courses have limitations, but it is growing phase with many institution option for offline as well as learning, and it will be integratively change to the face of education in the coming years. I hope our explanation based on research has been satisfactory. Thank you on the behalf of our team. Thank you so much for listening patiently. Thank you so much.